Okay, I'm going to make this video about identifying minerals, and to give a brief overview. When we take a look at minerals, things that we take a look at are the mineral's appearance, and the color of it isn't necessarily as important as one would expect. Hardness on the Mohs hardness scale is important. This is a slide that I think that you should write down, or that is important to you to know, that the fingernail is about 2.5 and glass is 6. I will be referring back and forth to this one. Luster is either metallic or non-metallic. Looks like a metal or rusted metal or not. Density is kind of important. Streak is kind of important. Cleavage and fracture are important. Cleavage means that it's going to break along a flat plane. This is a mica, and this is a calcite. They will always break along a flat plane, where this is quartz. So we have two identification keys. Actually, we're going to have three because we have gizmos. And as we go, you may find one that works better for you than others. So the first one I'm going to talk about, oh, by the way, to find them, I have mineral ID key 1 and mineral ID key 2. I don't remember which one's which. But this one here starts off by breaking them up in either metallic luster or non-metallic luster, and then it has hardness. And when we take a look at the hardness, a lot of times will give a range. Well, if we take a look at hardness, our fingernail is about 2.5. So from here, right around in here on down, is going to be softer than your fingernail. And here is going to be your fingernail. Above that is going to be harder than your fingernail, but less than glass, because glass is right in here around 6. And above that is going to be harder than glass. This one here is a little bit older one, but I like it because it starts off with metallic luster and non-metallic luster. And if it's metallic luster, is its streak, this is its streak, black, green, black, or dark green, or does it have a yellow, brown, or white streak? Now, the reason why it might have a white streak is because it's harder, or it's harder than the plate, or it's just got lighter colors. Here we have non-metallic dark colored and non-metallic light colored, and then that breaks up into does not scratch glass or scratches glass. And then from there, no cleavage or cleavage. So once again, cleavage means that it's going to break along a flat side, and no cleavage, excuse me, will be fractured. Okay. So here's the worksheet, and I want to go through one of these. So number 1, a student is trying to identify a mineral that has a non-metallic luster and is white. It can also be scratched by glass. So it's a non-metallic, it's white, and it's softer than glass. It can be scratched by glass. So that means it's less than 6. So if we take a look at them, calcite, well, we need to find calcite. Here's calcite. It is white, has cleavage, does not scratch glass, non-metallic light colored. So it has cleavage, softer than glass, and non-metallic light colored. Could be calcite. Diamond. Diamond is not even on this one, and not on that one. You know why? Because I'm not going to give you diamond. Okay. So let's take a look at hornblende. Hornblende is here. Has cleavage. It scratches glass, so that tells us that hornblende has cleavage but is harder than glass, which we don't want. And it's dark colored. Sorry for yawning. So we know it's not hornblende. And quartz. Okay, so here's quartz. So quartz, no cleavage, scratches glass. So it scratches glass, and it is light colored, but since it scratches glass, that tells us the only one that it can be is calcite. So spend the rest of the time doing those. Have a great day.